Good morning, children. Now we are going to continue the chapter soil. The topic is soil erosion and conservation. Soil erosion. What is soil erosion? Soil erosion is the removal of topsoil by the wind and water. So removal of soil is the topsoil is the most fertile part of the earth. It is rich in humus as dead plants and animals become part of the topsoil. Strong winds and water wash away and carry loose topsoil eventually to the sea. The removal of rich topsoil by running water and strong winds is called soil erosion. Cutting down of trees and overgrazing by cattle increases soil erosion. When the cattle graze the crop or trees, small plants and small trees, that time the soil is eroded from that place. So tree and plants, they only bind the soil together. When if there is no any plants or trees, the soil will eroded. It will eroded, soil erosion takes place. The protection of topsoil from erosion is called soil conservation. The topic we are going to learn that soil erosion and conservation. So soil erosion, that is the removal of topsoil by the wind and water. So topsoil is the most fertile soil. Humus is present in the topsoil. So when the plant is not there, it is grazed by the cattle. That time it is eroded by wind and water. Water means rainwater or flood, it will erode. So that means protection of topsoil from erosion. Protection of topsoil from erosion, that is called conservation. Some of the ways by prevention of soil erosion are planting trees to replace the trees that has been cut. The roots of plants hold the soil and prevent it from being eroded. Terrace farming or step farming should be carried out in hilly areas. When the water flows down the mountain, it carries topsoil with it. The steps cut on the mountain for farming prevent soil erosion. Then third is construction of dam in the rivers help to store water. They prevent floods and thus soil erosion. Making embankment of on both the sides of the river to reduce the chances of river water overflowing during heavy rain. So these all are the steps for conservation from soil erosion. That means how can we conserve our topsoil? These are the method for conservation of topsoil. So how can we conserve? Planting more trees to replace the trees that have been cut. The roots of plants hold the soil and prevent it from being eroded. Terrace farming, we should apply terrace farming. Constructing of dams, then making embankments on both the sides of the river to reduce the chances of river water overflowing during heavy rains. Thank you.